So before the 48 hours of Ruckus started, I lost my keys. Yep, lost my keys. Let's talk about how I solved that issue. Roll that intro. What's up, guys? Welcome to Small Bore and Two Wheels. If this is the first time you're joining me, welcome. If it's not, welcome back. So, lost keys for a Honda Ruckus. Yeah, before I get any further, I'm gonna give a shout out to my wife who told me to look in the garage, where I guess I didn't look really well because I looked all over where the Ruckus stuff and all the tools were, but the keys were actually found over in the opposite side with my daughter's sidewalk chalk, but I didn't see them. She told me to look there. I didn't. I freaked out for like a week, actually a whole weekend, cause yeah. But shout out to her because she's got them mom eyes. But yeah, how did I solve that issue? If you guys don't know, a replacement set for a Ruckus costs you about like 200 bucks. It gives you a new ignition, new gas cap, like the little latch that the OEM Ruckus has for like your helmet. But I mean, I don't use that one. But one of those costs about like 200 bucks. It's a pretty big set. I don't have that kind of money. Shout out to Tanuki, because he gave me a link that I'll leave below, where a guy sends you a copy for like 10 bucks plus shipping. If you get two, you get like free shipping, but I didn't know if it was gonna work, so I only got one. So shout out to that guy. I'll leave that link below because that's legit. So what you have to do is get your key has like a code on it, so you have to get the code for it and go to that link, find the right code, send it to the guy, pay your money, the key shows up magically in the mail. How do you find that code? Well, a lot of the Ruckuses have it in the ignition, obviously in the key itself, but also it's in the gas cap. But how do you open your gas cap if you don't have the key? Well, my friends, you pull up, down, twist left, shimmy, 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 twist left, twist right, shimmy, shimmy, twist left, and eventually pops up without the key. It's a little something for you guys to know, just so everybody knows. Now that I told you how to do that, I have actually filed the numbers off of mine so that nobody can steal my Ruckus that way. But yeah, so the key showed up. I was very skeptical, and I was actually pleasantly surprised because when I put it in, it cranked up, it opened everything, it opens the gas cap and everything, and it was like 10 bucks. Easy fix. Tanuki, my man, he saved me 190 bucks. And thanks to my wife that helped me find the other set of keys, now I have 2 sets of keys, which I never did from the beginning. So yeah, guys, if you like tips like that, if you like that tip in particular, which works for Mets as well, hit that like button. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you've done that before, if you've lost your key and had to replace the whole thing or not. If you don't like that at all, give me a thumbs down. Let me know how I could have made this better. But if you like all the other content that I have, the reviews, the random rambles, the Tag Thursday videos, and anything that could happen, just hit that subscribe button. If you don't want to miss anything, smash that bell, ring it so that you're notified every single time I upload something. And until next time, guys, keep causing a ruckus. Spouse out. Later.